red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, green color, green color, blue color, blue color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids neither G. G for goat, G for grapes, and use black color, black color. The alphabets of G. Kids neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids neither I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color, green color. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use green color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids neither M. M for moon, M for mango, and use blue color, blue color. The alphabets of M. Kids neither N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids neither P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Yellow ochre color. Kids neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids neither R. R for rose, R for rice, and use red color, red color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use red color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use yellow color, yellow color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids neither W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use black color, black color. The alphabets of X. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. and again use black color. Kids neither numbers, and first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use green color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2. Kids neither 3, and again use green color. T H R W 3. It's neither 4, the numbers of 4, and use blue color. F O U R 4. 5, the numbers of 5. F I V E 5. It's neither 6, the numbers of 6. S I X 6. It's neither 7, the numbers of 7. S E V E and 7, and again use blue color. It's neither 8, the numbers of 8, and use yellow ochre color. E I T H T 8. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9, the numbers of 9. N I N E 9. Kids neither 10, the numbers of 10, and again use yellow ochre color. T E and 10, the numbers of 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers, and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use yellow color. The alphabets of B. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use black color. The alphabets of C. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and use green color. The alphabets of D. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use blue color. The alphabets of E. Kids neither numbers. And first letter 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O and E1. Kids neither 2. The numbers of 2. And use yellow color. Yellow color. T W2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3. And use black color. Black color. T H R W 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5. And use blue color. Blue color. F I V E 5. Kids neither shapes. And first we draw square. The shape of square. And use red color. Red color. The shape of square. Kids neither circle. The shape of circle. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids neither triangle. The shape of triangle. And use black color. Black color. Kids neither heart. The shape of heart. And use green color. Green color. Kids lastly draw Easter. The shape of Easter. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shapes square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. C. C for cat. C for car. Kids neither D. D for dog. D for doll. Kids neither E. E for egg. E for elephant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids neither G. G for God. G for grapes. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids neither H. H for hand. H for helicopter. And use blue color, blue color. Kids, I can use blue color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids, I can use blue color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, neither L. L for lion, L for lemon. And use green color, green color. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, I can use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use black color, black color. Kids, I can use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, neither R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, neither S. S for sun, S for snake. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. And use red color, red color. W. W for watch. Kids, neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. A is for apple, A is for ant. B is for ball, B is for bat. C is for cat, C is for car. D is for dog, D is for doll. E is for egg, E is for elephant. F is for fish, F is for fan. G is for God, G is for grapes. H is for hand, H is for helicopter. I is for ice, I is for ice cream. J is for joker, J is for jackfruit. K is for kite, K is for kangaroo. L is for lion, L is for lemon. M is for moon, M is for mango. N is for nose, N is for nest. O is for orange, O is for octopus. P is for parrot, P is for penguin. Q is for quail, Q is for queen. R is for rose, R is for rice. S is for sun, S is for sun. Sheep. T is for teacher, T is for tiger. U is for umbrella, U is for uncle. V is for van, V is for violin. W is for wolf, W is for watch. X is for X-ray, X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yak, Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo, Z is for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.